Learning a language is a multisensory activity. By using your listening and speaking skills to interact with the English language, you will develop well-rounded skills and make faster progress toward fluency. Conversational English also exposes you to the type of language you would use day to day in an English speaking region. This video includes not just proper pronunciation but also slang, expressions, and casual speech patterns. Through this, you can improve your English knowledge effectively and efficiently.
Hey Shiny, what are you doing here?
Hello Tiron, how are you? I'm looking for a bus.
I heard you are going to graduate in this month. Is it true?
Yes, it's true. I can't wait for that day to come.
Oh, I see. You are so excited. After getting your bachelor's degree, you can find a good job.
Yeah, but it is not easy. Do you have any job offers?
No, not yet. I also sent out a lot of resumes, but I didn't receive many responses.
It's pretty hard to find a good job now.
Oh, I forgot to ask. By the way, what's your major?
Business management.
Oh, that's great. I think it's easier for BM graduates to find a job.
I'm not sure about that. How do your brother find a job?
He applied to a lot of job websites. Finally, he was able to get a good job which he desired.
I'm so glad too about that.
After this, do you have a hope to do master's degree?
Definitely yes. But I haven't selected university yet for that.